library.
Definitely go to the Elmer's Public Library.
For those who may not know, I do not like the Autism Public Library. That's it.
You've never been there.
That's the story. What else do we got?
Probably should be given some context.
No context. I don't like the Autism Public Library. Switch your mics.
Why?
Switch your mics.
I like this one.
Switch your mics. I want to see if there's a difference in like when I talk about one versus this one.
I like this one.
What would be the difference?
If there's no difference in the same. Oh wait. Anyway. Yeah.
Did I
send you one of those?
We should have came up with videos for this. I tried convincing her. I also thought about doing Sweet Home Alabama.
Just do it right now. Country.
I sang an intro in this.
Huh? Hey, here's your photo playing basketball next year.
That's really fun.
Next time, sorry. What are our 5 people stories? What if the chair sitting? I thought you were playing my story. You just respond to my text.
We're good?
We're good?
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Z-Man! Obviously, it's looking a little bit different this year due to coronavirus, but we're so glad that everyone can join us, and we are so excited to start the show. Just so you know who's standing up here talking to you for the whole night, I'm the one with the white shirt, the white shoes, and the curly hair, and my name's Sarah.
My name's Shepard, and I'm the one copying Sarah.
That's a joke. I'm actually Shepard.
I'm Sarah.
And we also have some judges out in the crowd. You won't be able to see them, but just so you know who they are at home, we have Trudy Peterson from the Communication Department.
We have Marcia Dalpity from the Psychology Department.
And last but not least, we have Maxwell Hawley from the Biochemistry Department.
Okay, so to give you a quick rundown of our show, we are going to start with the guys in their sportswear.
Then we're going to see some guys looking all talented.
Then the boys are going to come out looking all spiffy in their formal wear.
And last but not least, we will be crowning Z-Man.
But before we kick things off, we're going to show a quick video on how AZD has worked with Autism Speaks throughout the years.
Since 2009, Alpha Z Delta students and alumni have supported Autism Speaks as their national philanthropy through volunteering as well as awareness and fundraising efforts. We are thrilled to announce that Alpha Z Delta has hit the $1 million fundraising mark for Autism Speaks. Our families, our staff, and our volunteers cannot thank you enough for all that you do. Throughout the years, Alpha Z Delta members have served as voices of hope and inspiration for the whole autism community. Sisters volunteer, fundraise, and recruit thousands of walkers to attend our Walk Now for Autism Speaks events. Alpha Z Deltas participate in our annual Light It Up Youth campaign, host community events like Mother-Daughter Teas, Parents' Nights, sensory-friendly movie screenings, and on-campus events to raise awareness and funds. It's time for Autism Speaks to throw what we know for Alpha Z Delta. Our staff and volunteers from across the country could not do their job without the tireless efforts and support from Alpha Z Delta. Here's to hitting the $2 million mark.
Alrighty, so as you can see, Autism Speaks is Alpha Z Delta's national philanthropy.
Autism Speaks is the world's leading research and advocacy organization for autism.
And they focus on the needs of the community through research, family services, and advocacy and awareness of autism.
To date, Autism Speaks has raised over $570 million.
That's an amazing number. So, without further ado, we're going to start our show, and we're going to start off with the sportswear. Our first man of the evening is Ryan Dawson. Ryan is a senior art major. He is from Monmouth, as we can see by the lovely letters. He is representing Sigma Phi Epsilon. He is single, ladies. He is a fan of the Cubbies, and his celebrity crush, Anna Kendrick. Thank you.
up, we have Rodolfo Garcia. Rodolfo is a senior political science major from Chicago, Illinois. He is representing Zeta Beta Tau. He is taken. His favorite sports team is the Chicago Cubs, and his celebrity crush is Emma Watson.
Next up, we have Ramon Gohan. Ramon is a senior here at Monmouth College. He is a chemistry major. He is from Ghana. He's representing Title IX. He is also single. He does not have a favorite sports team, which I can strongly relate to. Thank you. And his celebrity crush, Zendaya.
Next up, we have Sam Leek. Sam is a senior art major from Wakanda. Believe it or not, he is representing Wakanda. He is taken by our one and only Madam President. His favorite sports team is the one in blue, and his celebrity crush is Jake Gyllenhaal.
Next up, we have Max Cook. Max is a sophomore here. Thank you, Max. Okay. He is from Dunlap, Illinois, and he is representing golf. Any golf from everywhere. He is taken. His favorite sports team is the Las Vegas Golden Knights, and his celebrity crush is Mila Kunis. That's baby.
All the way from Melbourne, Australia, our next man is Kieran Marshall. Kieran is a senior history major with a teaching license. He's representing the International Club in soccer. He is taken. His favorite sports team is the Melbourne Demons and Southampton, and his celebrity crush is Hugh Jackman.
Last but not least, we have Nick Thomas. Nick is a senior. He's majoring in performance and psychology. He's from Elmhurst, Illinois. He is representing, as you may be able to guess, lacrosse. He is single. Favorite sports team, Green Bay Packers. And his celebrity crush, Danny DeVito. We're the Danny DeVito fans.
Moving right along, our men are ready to show off their talents for you ladies.
And our first man with the talents, as you may guess, will be Ryan Dawson. Just so we have a better picture for everyone, you are in art class, all of you, and this is your teacher. Watch closely.
Good evening, class. So tonight, Brian Bob couldn't be with us, so I decided that I would teach you how to paint. But that's okay. We don't need to learn how to paint. We're just going to draw and use our magic machine. Doesn't matter. You'll see.
Is this abstract art?
Very abstract. People call me the rock code of my time. Does it look good?
It looks really good. Yeah, that's really good. Should we wait, here. While you're away, let's, oh, the machine, oh, I'm sorry. We'll just hang out here. Either that's a really big machine or I'm a really small person now.
It's both.
Next up, we have Rodolfo Garcia. Also wanting to show his artistic talents, Rodolfo is going to paint a picture in the next 3 minutes, and you need to try and guess what it is.
Can I press pause out the song?
Absolutely.
I got the mic. Just in case you need to say anything to our fans.
You'll know what it is afterwards. I'll explain. But yeah, I'll try to do this in 3 minutes. I think I had a Bob Ross theme song supposed to play right now, but that's not a thing.
Bob Ross theme song. moment you've all been waiting for.
Who's ready? Everyone?
Yeah, so that was actually better than expected. So my girlfriend inspired me because she loves Avatar. And so I drew Appa, which is a drawing that Saga draws when they do an Appa drawing. So here's my Appa.
Thank you. Our next talent of the evening is Ramon Mohan. All right, so I'm going to need everyone to use their imagination a little bit. Picture this, okay?
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes here. Saturday morning, you're hungry. You wake up, your significant other is there making pancakes, shirtless.
Good evening, guys. How's everyone? Oh, thank you. So you know what they say? They say the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. Well, I say the way to a woman's heart is through a man who knows how to cook. So today, I'll be making pancakes. Thank you. So like any responsible chef, I need to apron up.
Very responsible.
Do you want to be the official chef of the house?
When can I start?
Tonight.
I expect pancakes at the house tonight.
So after this, pancakes at the Opposite House.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead with the instructions. So I would say when you're cooking with the griddle, heat it up to 400 Fahrenheit. So while that's heating, I'm going to make my mix. So I have that mix from Dollar Tree, because I'm cheap. People broke here, so
Live, love, Dollar Tree.
honestly.
Shepherd and I go over to there.
So according to instructions, it says half a cup of flour and then 1/3 cup of water for 3 to 4, but I don't really think that's true. Because I practiced yesterday and it wasn't enough.
Do we have to like level? Yeah, we have to level it. Okay, guys, that's probably important. Remember, we have to level it.
Very important, sir.
And water.
Guys, he's using the quality water. It's not the Mammoth water, it's the Fairway water.
Yes, we can't do on the water. I'm trying to treat you all good.
It's getting steamy over here.
Hopefully I don't set the fire alarm off.
So might as well.
Whisk, 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 whisk.
Is there a strategy to whisking it?
Just release all the stress you have about academics on it and you'll get a good job. And just keep whisking.
I think it's enough look at the wrist.
Do you whisk until there's no bubbles, or like there has to be some?
No, there's no bubbles, but bubbles usually form. But usually some people like to pass it through a sieve so that those lumps you can get rid of those lumps. But I don't have a sieve, so I'm just gonna keep whisking.
It's definitely under risk. Look at that. I feel like I'm so educated. We should have pancakes.
Really motivated.
Okay. Now, I'm pretty sure my griddle is heated to the temperature I want. I'm just gonna grease it a little bit.
How much do you put on it?
How much? As much as you want to, I guess.
Do not know if there was an
Are we making a specific type of pancake?
I'm just doing a normal one, but you can always improvise based on your choice. Some people like to do buttermilk pancakes, or regular milk pancakes.
This is a buttermilk mix, can confirm.
Make sure to get it in the circle.
The circle looks really good, guys. You can't see it, but just trust me.
Yeah, that's
Do you like to make tiny pancakes?
Do I? No, I'm usually a big pancake kind of guy because because I want to feel what I'm eating though. Like I just don't want it to finish quickly. So we're just gonna let this cook for a bit, and then I'll flip it over.
How do you know when it's ready though?
Do I know when it's ready? So it's I call it the chef's intellect and intuition. So
Chef doesn't have one.
I can teach you.
I can't be taught, really.
She needs to be taught how to make something other than honeycombs and hamburger helper.
That was a real big ad. It's fine. Sometimes I like honey bunches of oats.
Still needs
We're a big fan of Lucky Charms in the quad.
We should start a poll, see whose favorite cereal wins.
Yeah, audience, do you have any questions for me while I'm making pancakes?
What's your favorite topping?
Hershey's and Nutella. With some blueberries.
That's very specific, I like that. Is anyone stressed to see the flip? Because I think I am.
So am I.
No pressure, it's okay. If you up. Don't look at it if it's not there.
Or you guys are not flipping it now.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Who else?
The knife.
Yeah, I'm gonna let it cook the same way for however long it took the previous time. So bear with me.
Do you think we should have had a timer going?
No, thank God, or else this wouldn't have been pancake. I don't know what I would serve you.
That's the chef's intuition. He doesn't need a timer.
There we go. Thanks for keeping up.
I got you.
It is a golden brown on this side. I should point for the audience. You can't see it. Oh, it looks like a decent pancake. Thought I saw one.
You know, no matter how good you cook, presentation is always important. So make sure to focus on your presentation as much as you do on your meal.
A clean plate.
I'm going to start off with a chocolate syrup base.
I can hold it. He's swirling the chocolate around.
It's a nice looking sputter.
That was very impressive. Can we show the audience, please?
Just hold it.
Yeah. I know, right?
I'm guessing the pancake is ready right now. There we go. Glaze. Let's turn it off.
That is very important. Please do not forget to turn off your griddle.
And now we're going to do the toppings. So I have some butter.
Are you going to do dishes after this?
After I leave the stage, hopefully.
Do we have a sink in the back?
Cut like 2 to 3 squares of butter, thin slices. And carefully place it on top.
Have you ever considered working at IHOP?
Have I? No, they're not fancy enough right now. And then we're going to top it off. Look at this one.
You just act like you know how to do it and that works.
Yeah, exactly. With some maple syrup. There's never too much syrup, guys. Trust me.
The butter is melting perfectly on the top of this. Like, I cannot explain this enough.
It looks very good.
And then finally, our fruits. Actually, that's not a final thing.
One strawberry has been placed.
Got some blueberries.
Another strawberry.
And to top it off, I'm going to put a bar of Hershey's on top. Because chocolate.
The chocolate syrup wasn't enough.
Not really. And there I have Vermont special pancakes.
single.
Yeah, it might be free after this. Maybe pancakes, if you want. The doors have to close for dramatic effect, of course.
Okay, next up we have Sam Leek. Sam is very ready to show off his mad juggling skills for us. You know, Shepherd, I've always wanted to learn how to juggle, but I've never had the balls.
Hit it, Fergie.
Ladies and gentlemen, right now I got to tell you about the fabulous, most groovy bell bottoms. Bell bottoms.
That actually stressed me out watching it. I was like, oh my goodness, how does he catch those? I would like to be taught. Anyways, our next gentleman of the night and his talent is Max Cook. And I am just going to let you figure out what his talent is.
Well, I'm not very talented, and I don't have any peculiar talents like juggling or cooking pancakes, or it's definitely not art. But I was walking through Fairway and I did not know what to do, and that's when I came across this old lady who's played by Tori. And her favorite chips were up on the top shelf, and that's all she wanted for dinner that night. And so, show them. This is how she was reading. Well, no, not like that. She wasn't jumping. She was bold, so. Yeah, not like that. And so, I ran halfway down this aisle, and I'm like, ma'am, I got you. That's when I just reached up. Well, actually, I stretched first. A couple of these, some twists. I don't want to get hurt. Maybe a couple of these. And that's when I reached up, just like this. No, she didn't say thank you. She just put it in the cart, and she went on with her day. And that's what I realized. I'm exponentially better than most people at getting things off the top shelf. And that's my talent.
Next up, we have Kieran Marshall.
He's gonna just give this a minute. This is for dramatic effect, of course. You'll know it's. This is fast.
So for those of you who can't tell, Kieran is a member of the pipe band here at Monmouth College, and I think we're all pretty used to hearing a certain tune, but he's ready to shake it up for you guys tonight.
See if you can guess what's being played.
How's it going, guys? Sorry for my
Hawaiian shirt, I just have to say. And a fun fact, in his free time, he involves himself in art education, ranging from kindergarten to senior citizens. Thank you.
Next up, we have Rodolfo Garcia. Rodolfo's favorite holiday is Christmas. He loves listening to hip hop and rap music. His favorite TV show is True Detective. His favorite food is bone and wings. He has never been on vacation, and his fun fact is, he's never been on vacation.
What a great fact. I feel like I know him better, you know? Next up, we have Ramon Mohan. His favorite holiday is also New Year's. He listens to Afro beats. Favorite TV show is Scandal. He likes butter chicken. Favorite vacation spot of Dubai. And, are you guys ready for this fun fact? Thank you, thank you. He can bend his pinky finger back to touch his arm. His hand, I guess. Yeah, isn't that crazy? Very impressive. Thank you.
Next up, we have Sam Lee. Sam's favorite holiday is Christmas. He listens to classic rock. His favorite TV show is Breaking Bad. He loves eating tacos. His favorite vacation spot is Colorado. And he knows how to bartend. So for those of you 21 and older, find him after the show.
But don't try and hit on him. He's taken.
Our Madam President will come after you.
I don't want that. Next up, we have Max Cook. His favorite holiday is Alpha Psi Delta Founders Day. He likes to listen to Frankie Valli and the Four Seasons. Favorite TV show of Cobra Kai. He likes Mexican. Wasn't very specific on that, but all Mexicans. Food, guys. Food. His favorite vacation spot is the Bahamas. And a fun fact about him is he is a 2015 IESA state chess runner-up.
Next up, we have Kieran Marshall. Kieran's favorite holiday is Christmas. His favorite bands are Quinn 92 and Breaking Benjamin. He loves the show Criminal Minds and Japanese cuisine. His favorite vacation spot is a beach town in Apollo Bay. A beach town called Apollo Bay in Melbourne. And his fun fact is that he needs to listen to rain and fireplace sounds when he falls asleep.
Next up, we have Nick Thomas. Nick's favorite holiday is Christmas. He listens to almost any music. Someone challenge him on that, please. His favorite TV show is Brooklyn Nine-Nine. He likes steak. Favorite vacation spot of Hawaii. And his fun fact is he can quote almost every movie he has seen.
So now we're going to move on to the question portion of our evening. Each of the guys is going to get asked 2 questions. They'll be allowed to pick between a serious and a funny question, and then we'll be asking them why they did Z-Man.
There you go. Merry Christmas. Ryan, you know the drill. You're first.
I have a funny question.
Yeah, well, I've got the funny question. Get in the middle. Come on. We want everyone to see you perfectly. Okay, choose your funny question. Who's cheating? Okay, you can't cheat. Okay. Do you want to read it or do you want me to?
Oh man. If you were a drink at Starbucks, what would you be and why? I think I'd be a venti caramel macchiato, frozen, because I'm a full cat and I'm sweet.
Okay. You know what question's coming next?
So Ryan, why did you do Z-Man?
I did Z-Man because ever since I moved to town, I've been going to Z-Man, and it means the world to me to compete and to do something for these lovely girls. I love each and every single one of you.
Give it up for Ryan!
We'll sneak you up here. No, okay. But a little bit to the right. Is that center? Okay. Do you want a funny or a serious question?
I'll be basic, but yeah, all the time.
What made you decide to do Z-Man?
As a fellow Greek, I think it's important to help all your fellow Greeks, so that's why I decided to do Z-Man. Yeah.
Funny or serious?
Hi, someone picked my basket.
Which Alpha Z Delta has made the biggest impact on your life and why? Well, this goes to Karima, who was my coach during this entire process. And why? Because she helped me put everything together, she helped make it organized, and without her, I wouldn't be on the stage today.
Thank you, Karina. You know what question's coming next? Why did you do Z-Man?
I see Z-Man as a platform to give back to the community, and I come from a family that preaches that a lot. So I decided to use this opportunity to give back to the community that raised me. So that's why I did Z-Man.
Good saying up here. Would you like a funny or a serious question?
Serious.
Ha, it's kind of stressing me out.
If the average human lifespan was 40 years, how would you live your life differently? That's a big one. I would spend it with the people I love more and do everything I love every day. Cook, travel, be outside, live life to the fullest.
Why did you do Z-Man?
The cause, great cause, Autism Speaks. I fully believe in that we need to educate people about autism and make sure that everyone feels included and is in a safe environment and feels comfortable being themselves.
One long step forward. That's all you need. Funny!
You're really gonna have to stretch the microphone.
What is your favorite pickup line and why? I think my favorite pickup line is, "How you doing?" from Friends. Why did I do Z-Man? Well, I did not do Z-Man because Emma forced me to, but I did Z-Man because it's a great cause and the Autism Speaks is a great charity to give to.
Thank you.
Funny or serious?
Really serious.
We specifically chose these baskets for our personalities in case you couldn't figure that out yet.
What would it mean to you to be crowned Z-Man? This is 2015.
2020.
Add a couple years.
Yeah, 2015 is a bit behind me now, so I'll go with the current option. I think it's just a good opportunity to have my face out in the community a bit more maybe. Sort of been a bit shy, and that sort of leads into why I did Z-Man as well. Just a good opportunity to try something different. All the girls have been supportive, and yeah, I think it's pretty cool to have that time.
Not to be biased, but he's got a pretty cool coach too.
We should probably tell them who the coach is. It's Sarah. All right, Nick, do you want funny or serious? Yes! The last one's the only one that matters, sorry.
I was going to say I'm a tiebreaker too.
He was keeping track of that.
If you could be any kitchen appliance, what would it be and why? I could be a kitchen appliance. I would be just a stove because you use it for everything that you do in the kitchen. What?
And why did you do Z-Man?
So originally thinking about this, I was like, maybe I'll just come up with an answer on the fly. But the more I thought about it, my best friend in high school, Emmett O'Brien, who maybe is watching, his twin brother James is on the spectrum, And just seeing like the love and support that their family has for everybody is really great. So the thought that I could maybe do something that might be able to help people like that.
All right, I think I'm going to check my note card before I say what I think I'm going to say. So, give me a second. Okay, I was exactly right. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we are going to send these guys back. And, sorry, bye. We're going to have our judges type the scores, and we will bring them back up for the crowning.
So we're going to do a few things while the judges tally the scores. The first thing we want to do is give Mel a huge round of applause for all of her hard work on these emails.
And you know where she is? Okay.
We love our philanthropy queen.
Also, we want to thank Karima, who has been in the backstage keeping the boys together because we know that can be a very tough time. And we want to thank Madison Roger, who's been doing top tech stuff, and she let me use her shirt today, so that's nice too.
Okay, so next we're going to show a quick video on kind of what our sisterhood embodies.
Cue video.
Crying
Sorry, I had to wake up.
It looks like our judges need a few more minutes, so let's bring the guys back out here.
If they're around.
They're around here somewhere.
They're around here somewhere. We'll find them eventually. I'd like my paper, please. So, funny story while we're waiting on the guys. I make stickers because that's what I like to do in my free time. And I accidentally, when I printed out this sheet of questions, printed it on a piece of sticker paper. And so Sarah stuck it to my back before we got here. Thought about leaving it, but then I was like, it might be weird. Someone would probably be like, but then.
See, I thought we were gonna leave it, so I crumpled up like the little piece of paper that like the sticker peels off of, and Shepard promptly yelled at me, like she always does.
Oh, hey! Come on, guys. We got some other random questions while we're waiting for the judges. You will not be scored on your answers, but still keep them appropriate. Otherwise, I will have to fight you. Please don't trip. Okay. Thank you, kind sir, for helping.
Looks good.
Don't tell them about me.
No one's saying anything. Emma, don't help him.
Yes, don't tell them. Okay, I don't know. I kind of like a lot of these. It's not. Should I choose them?
Who wants to go first? Who's gonna be brave?
I'll go first.
Oh, it's okay.
Do I need this?
How many peanut butter and jellies have you ever eaten?
Yeah, I like that question.
No, I know. It's because he's allergic to peanut butter and ice.
What about the opposite sex confuses you the most?
Everything. That's all I got.
I feel like we should make every guy answer that.
Nick. Same question.
Think on it, guys.
I think Max was on a really good track with that, and everything.
Karen, would you like to come down?
What's the question?
What about the opposite sex confuses you the most?
Love of shoes. Yeah, I would say the shoe.
Thank you. That's the shoes. Sam.
Be careful, I think. Tori's not around.
I don't think she's listening.
She'll never know. Whatever you say.
I do have to say the makeup on the reel is incredible. I don't know how you draw towards yourself. I can draw this way, but when you're doing it and then the mirror, and it's magical. I just gotta say it.
That is fantastic. Shout out to every girl who can do makeup.
So when they say no, I'm good, but they don't really mean it. 10 years later, it comes back to bite you. So it's kind of complicated that.
I was really hoping someone would finally address that.
I was gonna sound like it too.
5 more guys?
Just the time it takes for some of y'all to get ready. I don't know, man. It's a little confusing. Sometimes you can do it on a quick, but then sometimes it's like really necessary to get ready fast and home. So I don't know. I want an answer.
Does anyone have an answer?
Yeah. A room full of girls, no one knows the answer. And there's Brian.
Ryan?
What was the question?
What about the opposite sex confuses you the most?
I would have to agree with Sam. The makeup, like I struggle getting paint on canvas. Obviously, I couldn't do it with crayons. So that, but also being told that you and Karen were going to eat, and then I give a couple options, and none of them are good enough.
Thanks, Ryan.
I will say there's a strategy to it. You just have to know the right answer. All the time.
You just have to
Always
just
know the
have
right
to
answer.
know.
It's serious. Come on.
Chick-fil-A is always a good choice.
We should reverse that question.
What?
That question should be reversed.
Max wants to reverse the question.
Okay, so
Should we get some of the girlfriends up here?
no. Okay, no. Okay. Sam says no. Sorry, it's fine. Well, since we were on the topic of restaurants, I'm just going to go with Nick, I guess. Sorry. Where do you go? Like, which restaurant do you go to for amazing food? It can be local or far. You choose.
Benihana never fails. Whoa, that was.
Repeat, please.
Benihana never fails for good food and a good show.
Okay, Okay, where's that at?
They're just all over the place.
Does anyone know the nearest one? Okay, okay.
Brian can take you when you guys go to Chicago.
Okay, do you want the next question? No, do that. If animals could talk, which animal would be the most annoying?
Oh, I reckon probably the crickets. They're just annoying, they're little and like, they probably yak in your ear a bit, so I'd say crickets, yeah.
I wasn't expecting it. I really like that. Now you can have it. Crumpled up piece of paper. It's your fault.
Ryan, what mythical creature do you wish actually existed?
That's a good question. I'd have to say the Minotaur, because he's big and beefy, and it's everything I wish to be.
Sam,
Oh, this feels like you're being targeted.
if magic was real, what spell would you learn first?
Accio. Accio anything. It'd be so useful. Accio keys, Accio wallet, Accio money. That's what I would do.
Seems foolproof to me.
I can't even find it. I got a really good question for you, Max. It's not on the sheet. How much wood could a woodchuck if a woodchuck could?
All right, Shepard's gonna take a minute.
I don't think I can answer that question because you can't even say it.
All right, someone else can say it.
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
An infinite amount.
Okay. I guess that's fine. Okay, are you ready for this? Yeah, I guess you can come up here next part. Okay. What is your cure for hiccups?
That,
Crickets.
yeah, crickets.
You eat them?
No, on a serious note, usually they tell me to look up or I get tapped your back twice, so whatever floats your boat.
I've never heard either of those. Thank you for sharing.
Rodolfo,
Now's your time. Do you feel stressed?
I know my question. I don't know the sheet.
Okay.
What comes first, the chicken or the egg?
I feel like I'm supposed to know this answer. I'm just gonna say the egg.
Why?
Because there's a chicken inside of it, technically. So, but then again, the chicken gives birth to the egg. But then again, you need an egg to make a chicken. I don't know actually.
When you finally figure it out.
It's a vicious cycle.
Do we actually know the answer to that? Sarah, you're like sciencey or something, right?
We don't really talk about chickens and biochemistry too often, unfortunately.
How about neuroscience?
No, not usually. I think Professor Dophody could second that up there.
Okay, so no chickens, I guess.
So no chickens.
Do we still need some more time? Do we have a... I don't even know where anyone is. Just act like you know.
They run away.
Well, I guess we can do the chicken dance.
Take it away, Shepard.
We need this song. Does it still go? I don't know. Actually,
You're asking the wrong person.
what's another song I know?
Little Teapot.
Listen, Mariah, I know you're upset, but there was no need to throw your water bottle at me. I should throw a water bottle at us. What do you want to do now? Do you want to stand here and stare at the cameras and feel nervous? Let me feel better. We are not repeating what the audience said. Any other suggestions? Do you guys have any good jokes? Oh my gosh, let's hit it. Wait, actually, just raise your hand if you know a really good joke.
Take a minute, think of your favorite joke to tell, and then we'll come to you.
Okay, yeah. But don't feel stressed because you have to come up with the best one to beat all the other guys. So. It's nothing serious. Any jokes from the audience? Thank you. You guys are... Yes, Allie. What do you call a boomerang that does not come back? Any guesses?
Boomerang.
A stick. A stick. That's a good one. Thank you. Yes?
Why can't you gossip around a jalapeno?
Why can't you gossip around a jalapeno?
Yeah.
Because they'll get all up in your business.
Is that it? That was good though. I mean, here's the casual, what do you call a cow that only has 2 legs? Ground beef, thank you.
Guys, we can't play jokes yet. Rodolfo's gone.
Thank you. Why do you make him come to his friends?
Some of you might know it. What's a dog's favorite type of drug? Quack.
The fact none of us knew that is even more impressive.
Okay, I got one.
Sam's gone.
You sing about it?
Yeah, this is an old one. What do you call a guy with no arms and no legs laying in front of your door? Matt.
Oh, okay. I got nothing. Behind my back, suspiciously.
Ramon's got a joke.
Oh, good. Go for it.
No, sorry, it's a riddle.
Joke riddle. So, if you clean the vacuum cleaner, do you become the vacuum cleaner? Let me know if you have an answer.
I think so. I really do.
Okay, I got another.
Oh,
Sam's back for more.
What do you call a guy with no arms and no legs hanging on the wall? Alright, someone said it.
yeah, get those bad jokes out of here. First one's funny. Second one, you need to step it up. Okay, I've got individual trophies. Do you want to hand them out and me talk?
I can do that.
I like talking. Can you not talk?
I know you do.
Do you want to turn off your microphone so no one can hear you ruffling around? Thank you. Okay. Stage is on mine then, guys. Okay. So, our first individual prize, I think we could also have people guess, you know? Z most artsy. I don't want that. I'm busy. Okay. Z most artsy. Drum roll.
Ryan?
Ryan's a guess. Any other guesses? Okay, it's Ryan. Wait, what if I don't know what the answer is? Okay. I need the next one, so I can say it.
The best president.
Z, best president. Now, I want everyone to think long and hard and use your surroundings. I'm going to pull out my little education. What is in our surroundings that we may be able to use to our benefits? The sashes, thank you. Oh, you guys are so good.
Rodolfo.
Thank you, Rodolfo, for being the best president. Very proud of you. Tori wasn't even in the running, so. Next one.
The most coordinated.
Z, most coordinated. It's not Max, guys. Sam! Very impressive general skills. We are very thrilled. I was very scared and anxious, but that was super impressive. Next one.
The best accent.
The best accent. Yeah, I'm gonna need you to just take your prize. I really appreciate when you get to talk. I should have made you do this, but. The best chef. Those pancakes are probably delicious and now they're probably cold, so kind of sucks to be those pancakes. Next one. The Thank you, Allie. The most musical.
So the results are in. Our first runner-up of the evening is Sam Leek.
I don't really know what we're doing with these things, so just like this. Okay, yeah, just stand here. Oh, okay. Our second runner-up is Nick Thomas. Come on, what are you gonna do?
Now, what you've all been waiting for. Drum roll, please. The Z-Man of 2020, Kieran Marshall.
Okay, how do you feel?
Oh, I'm pretty stoked, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, mate. It's a privilege, so.
He's amazing.
Yeah, I do. Thanks for having me, guys. I appreciate it.
I don't actually know what we're gonna do now, so I'm just gonna act like I know what's happening, and then eventually someone will tell me. Okay, Nick, how do you feel?
Good.
Thank you. And Sam?
Absolutely ecstatic. I could not be more happy.
You have all kinds of energy. How do you feel?
Feel pretty good.
Are you still tall?
I'm still average height.
This is average, huh?
Happy that it was helped this cause, so.
You love it. How do you feel about being the best president?
You're like the best president.
I feel that. Can't relate, but you know.
I'm happy to be here and participate. Thank you.
We're so happy to have all of you guys. Thank you.
Per usual, Madison has informed me with the numbers for this evening.
Ooh.
So, the man who raised the third most money with $290, oh, I'm sorry, $370.
She has no idea how numbers work.
This is why I'm not, this is why I don't have Madison's position. Nick Thomas. Raising $400, Sam Leek. And raising over $900, Kieran Marshall. Our overall total for this evening is $2,917.75.
We cannot thank you guys enough for coming and everyone who donated. We are so thankful, and all of our money will go to Autism Speaks, as I'm sure you could probably, hopefully guess.
Let's give one last round of applause for all the men who participated tonight.